Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you UKQ, UK approved, International Diploma in HVAC course. These HVAC courses will teach you the different forms of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technology. HVAC systems provide heating and cooling to residential and commercial buildings. You will study the fundamental principles that determine how they operate, the basic components of an HVAC system, and their environmental requirements. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at training@iitpakistan.com.pk.